Hello and welcome back to the Hughes Enterprises channel. I want to start out this video saying a big thank you to all my new viewers and subscribers, and a special thank you to my Patreon supporters that are helping make this video and many others possible. Now we're going to start off this video with an unboxing, and like I said before, this unboxing was supported through donations on Patreon, and we'll get into that in just a second. Got inside here. We got some 327 ammo. Now, if you've been a viewer of the 327 series, you would have heard that we're going through a little bit of a dry spell with 327 ammo. Well, I think we may have reached the end of that dry spell, because I have here some brand new production 100 grain 327 soft points. Now, this stuff is currently the hottest factory produced 327 ammo on the market, and advertised velocity is, they're claiming 1500 feet per second at the muzzle, but we know that to be about 1400 feet per second out of a 3-inch barrel. So we got 4 boxes of that. 200 rounds, that's going to provide us lots of practice ammo for future videos in the 327 series. And what's special about this unboxing is that we actually have a viewer request in here. One of my viewers requested that we try out the 32 H&R Critical Defense, and through the support of Patreon supporters, that little extra money was enough to be able to afford this extra box of ammo. So this will be featured in a future video. Another interesting update, as of yesterday evening, I do have a Henry Big Boy 327 on layaway at a gun store in Georgia. So we should be getting that rifle in hopefully about 2 to 3 weeks, and there should be a video around that same time unboxing and reviewing it. As always, thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing.